Alrighty guys, so recently I've had some people asking me when I would be doing another unboxing video. Gemini has finally come out with something that I needed to add to my collection, so I pre-ordered this 1 or 2 months ago, and this is the Gemini 200 Delta A220-300. This is item number G2DAL895. And again, this is a model I don't have currently to add to my collection. So the box here is pretty much the standard boxing for the Gemini 200 Delta products. It's the black box, gold leaf lettering, which is kind of shiny. And then on the front here we see the aircraft. So inside the box we've got the normal little 3-part metal stand that you would see for the narrow bodies, and then the lid will come out, and then we've got the actual aircraft itself. So this is November 302 DU, which in Delta's fleet would be 8302. That's the tail number, which is also going to be up on the nose there on the gear doors. As far as numbering for the fleet goes, the 220-100 for Delta has 81XX, and then the 300 has 83XX. So this is 302 DU, like I said, and the reason this plane is kind of special is not only was this the first 220-300 to be delivered to Delta, but this is the first 220 that's been delivered from Mobile, Alabama. So this is the first 220 that was produced in Mobile. Now, having said that, you would think 301 would be the first, but 301 was actually damaged during final assembly, so it has yet to be delivered. I believe they're test flying it, but as of right now, they're up to 8307. So there's currently 6 300s flying for Delta. So this aircraft uses the Pratt & Whitney 1524. The engine is kind of a pain to work on. It's not the most user-friendly. It's basically the same series as what's used on the 100, which is the Pratt & Whitney 1521. As far as the airframe goes, the wingspan and height of the aircraft is the same as the 100. The difference is that the fuselage is got a center section that's been expanded by 12.25 feet. Now, the way you can tell the 300 and the 100 apart is kind of the same as how they do on the 330. If you look where it says Delta, after the widget, you'll see 2 windows on the 100, where on the 300 you'll see 6 windows. So really, that's like the easiest way to tell the difference between the two planes, just looking at them if you can't see the tail number.